Hi, we're NoteLink. Before we further introduce our product, let's look at a common scenario happens in the traditional classroom.
The derivative of sin x equals cosine x.
This is our customer, Mr. Wang. He works in a public high school as a math teacher.
Alright, this is the end of Unit 2.
Wait a second. Professor, I haven't finished my note yet. This is our end user Sophia. Sophia is a student in Mr. Wang's class. However, the large amount of notes and the quick pace of the class often make her feel overwhelmed.
Okay, I'll wait for a few minutes.
I got it now, thank you.
Let's move on to the next section.
As the scenario shows, Mr. Wang can't finish his class due to the students' long time of note-taking. This problem of note-taking happens frequently in a classroom that uses physical whiteboard. Our team has interviewed more than 50 students and teachers. Nearly all of them encounter the same issue. For students, note-taking becomes a distraction from paying full attention to the class, while for teachers, waiting for students to finish their note before starting the next section also slows down the class pace.
NoteLink is the solution. A software that converts a live physical whiteboard into an online digital copy for you. Through camera or digital devices, NoteLink can detect and record all of the content inside the four corners on the whiteboard, and the users can initiate or stop the recording by simply pressing a button. The system will compact all the notes into a PDF, which can be later sent out by email list to all the students.
No worries, I'll send everyone the digital copy of the notes through NoteLink.
Oh, really? Okay, thank you so much.
Of course, now let's turn to the next section.
With the assistance of NoteLink, teachers won't have to wait for students to catch up on the material, leading to a more enriching and efficient learning experience.
Considering the variety of functions NoteLink contains, we adopt the freemium business model for the product. Every user can enjoy the basic function of digitizing the notes for free. If people want to gain more convenience, they can purchase the premium version to experience the editable notes, online storage database, and email delivery. And guess what? You only have to pay $15 monthly or $120 annually to get access to all the additional functions and become a premium user.
Our freemium business model ensures that some of our services' major functions are available for anyone in the world without any cost. This aligns with our mission to increase the accessibility of educational resources. The COGS of this basic version is $0, so it won't be a burden on our financials. Furthermore, we will provide a premium version of our product to certified educational institutions for free. We would cover up this part's COGS through government grant programs in our early years and gradually use part of our revenue as well. NoteLink has a customer value of $120 per month, 8 times the monthly subscription fee, making it quite a deal. The future of NoteLink looks extremely promising with a $24 customer acquisition cost, an estimated break-even point in 2024, and a net income of over $500,000 in 2026. NoteLink will become a bridge that links the physical whiteboard and the digital world, and we will revolutionize the traditional classroom. What are you waiting for? Come and join this revolution right now.